everybody, my name is Jason. I am the manager of the research and development area in Performance Machine, so in charge of product development and making sure that things look good and work good. Alright, today we're actually looking at the Performance Machine Elite exhaust tips. These are new for this year, and what we were trying to do with these Elite exhaust tips was, number one, bring a lot of Performance Machine style to the tail end of all the cool exhaust that's out there, and try not to break the bank. So what we did, we started out with a nice smooth lathe cut finish, and then we brought in a lot of the Performance Machine detail, the fancy ball end mills, the sweep cuts, things like that you have seen on our wheels, and that we're very well known for. So to walk through it with you, we have the tech. The tech is just, I guess the best way to summarize it is it's techy. So we do the cool ball end mill sweeps on the outer perimeter. We give you that real rad Performance Machine logo, which you can kind of see there. And then we come back in and we do something to the inside of the tips that I personally haven't seen on a lot of other exhaust tips, but bring the style to the inside, so something a little different. We felt that we have all that area to use, so we might as well put some cuts in there. The slash tip is pretty standard. It's a slash cut, so we kind of did the same thing that we did on the tech. We added some of the detail cuts on the inside, and we slash cut it. This one also has the Performance Machine logo engraving on the top. That way people don't forget who made that tip. Next we have the sweep. The sweep, the name came from the sweep cut on the inside of the tip. We basically take a big ball end mill and come on the inside and just sweep some of the material out of it. Number one, to lighten it up. Number two, just to give it some cool style. On the outside perimeter, we give it the ball end mill detail, kind of like we have on the tech tip. So, and then once again, we got the PM logo hit on the top. The clean tip, bottom right here, is clean. It's just very clean on the outside. We didn't add any real detail on the outside. We just wanted to keep it real clean. And then on the inside, we came back in and added a bunch of detail cuts on the inside, add some style. This, once again, has the Performance Machine logo engraving on the top. And that kind of sums up our lineup currently. These tips fit a bunch of different exhaust systems out there right now. We have Reinhardt fitments. We have the Screaming Eagle, the Harley-Davidson Screaming Eagle, Super Trap exhaust systems, and we have some Kirk exhaust systems. Pretty much anything that's round, 3.5 inches or 4 inch. Right now we're offering the new Vance & Hines fitments through Performance Machine as well, so that's what we're talking about today, is specifically the Vance & Hines fitments. So same kind of concept with V&H. We're offering the 3.5s and the 4 inch tips, and specifically with Vance & Hines, they have two models that we have fitments for right now. You can see on the right screen over here we have the Monster Rounds. Monster Rounds are 4 inch, and then we also have the Widow slip-ons. So the Widow slip-ons are 3.5 inch. So all four of the Performance Machine tip designs are available for these two Vance & Hines applications. Ordering Performance Machine exhaust tips for any application, including the Vance & Hines, is very simple. You can, number one, call Performance Machine and we'll walk you through the whole process, or you can go to performancemachine.com and click on Products and Harley-Davidson, and then you'll scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll see the Elite exhaust tips. So you can hit that and it'll show you what I just spoke to you about, all the different styles, and it'll talk a little bit about the applications, the diameters, 3.5, 4 inch, things like that, some of the different finishes, give you a little overview. So
for more information on the products featured here, please head to our website, denniskirk.com.